How you guys doing? Again, this is Stan Banks from T-Shirt Social here today. Bring you guys another quick tip. All right, this video is basically about if your cutter cuts a design and it all looks perfect except for this one little piece. So let's say it's one letter that gets messed up and gets jagged. I'm going to show you guys what to do to seamlessly, perfectly line it up. All right, your second new cut that you need to cut for it, and then how you can still make it one press. Okay, so what I have here is a design that looks perfect across the board, except for if you look at this M, not perfect. All right, so what I've done was I went ahead and cut another design that I needed in black, and in the top corner here I added the M. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut that M out. Okay, so now I have the M here and the M here. So what I'm going to do is behind this, I'm just going to put this on the back of it. I'm going to try to do this in the air so I don't have to do something a little different. You know what? Let's do this. See if that works. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay this down right on top of here. And try to get it lined up perfectly where it should be. Okay, now let's bring it back up. Okay, so what I got here is an M behind an M, and it looks perfectly lined up the way I needed it to be. All right, so now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to line this up for pressing. Okay, so now that I have this thing all lined up the way that I needed it to be, sorry, in the last video, the video kind of got a little jagged, so I got it lined up with the rest of them. So what's going to happen is when I press this, the layer that's over top will connect to the shirt, and the layer that's messed up will connect to the back of that film sheet. Now, one thing I just noticed here is that I can't have my film overlapping any other parts of vinyl because that will not adhere to the shirt. So let me just snip this up a little bit. Just gonna fold it back here and cut straight across so it's not overlapping any other part. As you can see now, it does not overlap with the E. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and line my shirt up. Wrinkled, so I'm going to press it just for a second here. Alright, with the V-neck, I'm going to go 1 inch from the top line. Looks good. So now, press it up. This is a really, really old press, Old Faithful. I have a video coming for you guys about what happened to one of the presses I use, which to me isn't a big deal. I can either get it fixed or get a new one, but that'll be another video as we wait for this to sound off. Like an old cooking timer. Boom. So as I peel this, you'll see it came off clean, and then when I peel this top layer here, this part, this bad M, adhered to the back of this one, but the good M adhere to the shirt. Let me get my second press on. So now we have it perfectly lined up. One press, well, with my second press, light press, but it wasn't an extra press. So this is something that you guys can do. All right, this has been Stan Banks with another quick tip. Hope you guys are getting your styles on. Happy printing.